Using a Databricks notebook involves creating, configuring, and executing code for data analysis and machine learning. Here's how to use a Databricks notebook effectively. Create a notebook, log into your Databricks workspace. Click on the Workspace section and select Create Notebook. Name your notebook and choose the default language. Attach a cluster. Attach the notebook to a running cluster to execute code. Select an existing cluster or create a new one from the Clusters tab. Write and run code. Write code in the notebook cells. Use the default language or specify a different language in a cell by using magic commands. Execute a cell by pressing Shift+Enter or clicking the Run button on the cell. Data analysis and visualization. Import data into the notebook using various methods like uploading files, accessing databases, or using data from cloud storage. Perform data analysis using Spark SQL, DataFrame API, or other supported libraries. Visualize data with built-in visualization tools or libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, or ggplot. Documentation and collaboration. Add markdown cells for documentation to explain code, analysis, and findings. Share notebooks with colleagues for collaborative work. Use the Share button to set permissions and generate shareable links. Save and export. Save your notebook to the workspace or export it as an HTML or IPython notebook file for sharing or further use.